Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious blueberry mousse cake. First, gather all your ingredients, including fresh blueberries, heavy cream, and gelatin. Next, prepare your cake base. A light sponge or a simple graham cracker crust works wonderfully. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature before you begin, as this helps with smooth mixing and setting. This initial preparation is key for a successful dessert. Now, let's create the star of our cake, the blueberry mousse. Begin by pureeing 2 cups of fresh blueberries with a small amount of sugar until smooth. In a separate bowl, bloom 2 teaspoons of gelatin in cold water for about 5 minutes, then gently warm it to dissolve. Finally, carefully fold the blueberry puree into your freshly whipped heavy cream, ensuring a light and airy texture. This step is crucial for that perfect mousse consistency. With your mousse ready, it's time to assemble our beautiful cake. Carefully place your prepared cake base into an 8-inch springform pan. Next, pour the blueberry mousse mixture evenly over the base, using a spatula to smooth the top for a polished finish. Once assembled, transfer the cake to the refrigerator and chill for at least 4 hours, or ideally overnight, to allow it to set completely. Patience here ensures a perfect slice. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for, decorating and enjoying your masterpiece. Garnish your chilled blueberry mousse cake with fresh blueberries and a light dusting of powdered sugar for an elegant touch. For clean, beautiful slices, use a warm, sharp knife, wiping it clean between each cut. This cake is perfect for any occasion. Also, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.